So in 1 week, Vardar showed two different faces. What is the reason for this?
Well, they play better today than the other day. We couldn't do almost nothing when they were 7 in offense. We had many problems there. They were really good today. I cannot say more things. In offense, they were really good, especially. They did a great job in offense when they were 7. They can shoot almost every time, and they made goals from 9 meters. And almost all the times they were doing goals. And in our offense, we had also problems against this 5-1 defense with the big guy Pekeler in the middle. Today we didn't play as good as the other day, and unfortunately we didn't win.
Now we will have one tough match against Kielce. What can we expect in this game?
Well, it will be very tough. Kielce is one of the best teams in Europe, and playing there, they are even stronger. Rhein-Neckar won there. We have to see if we can do it, but it will be very hard.